Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the nicely refreshed 2021 Nissan Kicks. This is the SV model with the CVT. $23,420 is the total price. Not bad at all. 1.6 liter inline 4, made it to the Xtronic CVT. Very, very nice vehicle. Oh, what's the colors on this one? They're in a weird spot. Two-tone white, black roof. That doesn't give me the color name. These are weird when the Nissan stickers are a little weird when it comes to color names. But either way, very, very nice. Now has this nice light bar across the rear. The biggest area of refreshment is the front end design. Definitely looks more in line with a new Rogue. This is kind of Nissan's new design direction. This one has the cloth seats, the SV. It's kind of the middle of the road for Nissans. Oh wow, that's actually a really cool feeling material. Pretty nice interior. Got your sport button here. Reverse, drive, sport. What's nice about the Kicks, it replaces the Juke, which had some interesting styling, but it's an SUV without being in your face about being an SUV. So it's not huge just to say it's huge. It's a perfect size comparison with the Ford EcoSport. It's like identical sizing. Visibility is phenomenal. I love driving these around just because you can see everything out of them. They're not difficult to drive at all. That's why I like this new test drive route that we've created. One, because liabilities are lower, and two, it just really allows you to see like turning circle, what visibility is like. And let's be honest, a lot of the time you drive these cars and the flaws really come out at lower speeds, not just cruising down the road. To get out of sport mode, throttle response is instantly a little bit lessened. Over the bumpier roads, it's not bad at all. CVT just does its thing. Obviously, it's not blow your socks off fast. Doesn't need to be, but it's perfectly ample for what you need. I do like this thing. Whereas I don't really like the EcoSport too much. This thing's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Never driven a Juke, but I already like the looks of this one better anyway, so. Let's just pull out without looking. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.